DAF Hopper. The DAF Hopper is a compact and versatile electric vehicle designed for urban mobility. Its lightweight design and small size make it perfect for navigating tight city streets. Powered by an electric drivetrain, the Hopper offers an eco-friendly alternative to traditional gas-powered vehicles. It's an ideal solution for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint while staying mobile. This vehicle focuses on efficiency and convenience. It comes equipped with advanced features like autonomous driving capabilities, smart sensors, and an intuitive control interface. These technologies make it easy to use and seamlessly integrate into modern transportation networks. The DAF Hopper is perfect for short commutes, last-mile deliveries, and eco-conscious city dwellers. It offers a sustainable and convenient way to get around urban areas. The base price for the DAF Hopper is estimated at $10,800. Airspeeder Crewed. The Airspeeder Crewed is a cutting-edge electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft. It's designed for high-speed aerial racing, bringing futuristic motorsports to life with a human pilot on board. This model builds on the success of previous unmanned airspeeder versions. Now, human pilots can control these agile flying machines, adding a thrilling new dimension to competitive racing. The Airspeeder Crewed is capable of incredible speeds. Its precise maneuverability makes it perfect for intense aerial competition. With advanced aerodynamics and state-of-the-art propulsion technology, it's built to push the boundaries of performance. This development is a significant step forward in eVTOL innovation and the future of aerial mobility. It combines adrenaline-pumping action with groundbreaking technology, redefining what's possible in motorsports and aviation. The Airspeeder Crewed is more than a racing machine, it's a glimpse into the next era of high-speed aerial excitement. Airwheel SE3S. The Airwheel SE3S is a smart suitcase built for the modern traveler. It combines convenience and technology in a unique design. What sets this suitcase apart is its ability to transform into an electric rideable scooter. With a powerful motor, it lets you glide effortlessly through airports or city streets at speeds of up to 10 km per hour. It's not just practical, it's fun too. The SE3S is packed with smart features. It includes a USB charging port for your devices, GPS tracking for peace of mind, and an anti-theft alarm system for added security. Its compact design meets airline cabin baggage size requirements, so you can take it on board without any trouble. Priced at $329 on Amazon, the Airwheel SE3S is a game-changer for travelers who value efficiency and innovation. DAF CF Electric. The DAF CF Electric is a powerful and eco-friendly truck designed for both urban and regional transport. As part of DAF's commitment to sustainability, this electric vehicle features a fully electric drivetrain that produces zero emissions, making it the perfect choice for cities looking to cut down on air pollution and noise. The CF Electric is equipped with advanced battery technology, giving it a substantial driving range on a single charge. This makes it an ideal solution for various logistics and distribution needs. Built with durability and efficiency in mind, the truck combines DAF's well-known engineering with cutting-edge electric vehicle technology. This ensures reliable performance while contributing to a greener future. The DAF CF Electric is priced between $160,000 and price. Dive Portable Lungs. The Dive Portable Lungs are a groundbreaking innovation that could transform the way we explore the underwater world. Unlike traditional scuba tanks, these compact units are lightweight and portable, easily fitting into a backpack. This design eliminates the need for bulky tanks or decompression chambers, allowing you to explore with far more freedom. Imagine discovering a secluded reef or exploring a hidden underwater cave, all without the weight of heavy equipment holding you back. The Dive Portable Lungs use advanced technology to mimic natural lung function. They are refilled with compressed air, either from a portable hand pump or a larger compressor at a dive shop. This allows you to extend your underwater adventures without limitations. Though not meant for professional deep-sea diving, these portable lungs offer incredible freedom for recreational divers and underwater enthusiasts. With the right training and safety measures, they could open up new opportunities for underwater exploration. Cycleboard X-Quad 3000. Redefining all-terrain adventure. The Cycleboard X-Quad 3000 is a game-changer in all-terrain electric vehicles. Priced at $4,095, it offers unmatched power and versatility. Its four-wheel independent double wishbone suspension allows it to glide smoothly over rugged landscapes. Designed for multiple terrains, the X-Quad even has a special golf mode. This mode adapts to golf courses by offering low speed, high torque, and automatic electronic braking. It also comes with a custom mount for your golf bag, making it convenient for golfers. Its cargo carrying ability is impressive too, with a front rack and rear basket, perfect for transporting gear. Night riding is made safe with integrated front and rear lights. The patented linkage system ensures exceptional control, while the custom grip pad provides superior traction. With its performance and innovative design, the Cycleboard X-Quad 3000 redefines outdoor adventure. Seapod. Imagine living in a futuristic home, floating above the ocean waves. That's what the Seapod offers, a unique, minimalistic dwelling suspended 8 feet above water. The 830 square foot living space has everything you need for comfort. It includes a primary bedroom, a living room, a kitchen, a bathroom, and ample storage. This compact yet functional home is designed across 3 levels, maximizing space and utility. But what sets the Seapod apart is its integration of modern technology. Using a wearable smart ring, you can easily summon drones and automated vehicles to deliver food and other essentials. Seapods start at $295,000 and can cost up to $1.5 million, depending on customization and features. According to Grant Romont, CEO of Ocean Builders, the demand for coastal living is rising. He states that thousands of people every day are moving closer to the top 15 major metropolitan cities near coastlines. This trend is expected to grow, making innovations like the Seapod even more relevant. The Seapod is not just a home, it's a glimpse into the future of sustainable, ocean-friendly living. Future Warsaw. Future Warsaw envisions a city where innovation blends seamlessly with its rich historical legacy. As the city evolves, it plans to incorporate smart infrastructure, expansive green spaces, and sustainable transportation. These advancements aim to enhance the quality of life for its residents. Modern skyscrapers and eco-friendly buildings will redefine Warsaw's skyline. They will coexist harmoniously with the city's traditional architecture, preserving its unique cultural heritage. Technology will play a central role in this transformation. Smart city initiatives are set to improve connectivity, efficiency, and daily convenience for citizens. This forward-thinking vision positions Warsaw as a leading European metropolis. It will be a place where progress meets heritage, creating a vibrant, resilient, and sustainable urban environment. JOGALONG Stroller. The JOGALONG Stroller is a high-performance jogging stroller. It's designed for active parents who want to stay fit while spending quality time with their kids. Built with a sturdy yet lightweight frame, it's easy to maneuver on different terrains. Whether you're running on pavement, trails, or grass, this stroller handles it all with ease. One of its standout features is the ergonomic handle. It has an innovative push and pull mechanism, allowing parents to jog comfortably while maintaining full control. For your child, the JOGALONG Stroller ensures a smooth and safe ride. It has a spacious seat, an adjustable harness, and shock-absorbing wheels to cushion bumps along the way. This stroller blends comfort, safety, and fitness into one smart design. It's perfect for parents who want to integrate exercise into their daily routines without compromising family time. The JOGALONG Stroller is priced at $1,199 on their official website. Addmotor E-325. The Addmotor E-325 is a powerful electric cargo trike built for heavy-duty tasks and urban commutes. Priced at $5,000, it offers durability, performance, and eco-friendly transportation. At its core is a 48-volt 750-watt rear-mounted brushless motor, delivering up to 1,400 watts of peak power and 90 Nm of torque. This ensures strong acceleration and the ability to handle heavy loads with ease. The 48-volt 20Ah Samsung battery provides a range of up to 60 miles per charge with pedal assist. While the charging time is 8 to 10 hours, making it suitable for overnight charging, The extended range ensures it can meet demanding daily needs. Equipped with Addmotor's EB 2.0 LCD display and a 7-level intelligent pedal assist system, the E325 allows precise control of speed and power. This makes it versatile for both casual rides and demanding work. Built with 7020 aluminum alloy, the trike is both lightweight and strong. It features a 7-speed Shimano derailleur, hydraulic disc brakes on each wheel, and a thoughtfully designed lighting system. Together, these components ensure safety, reliability, and smooth handling. The Addmotor E325 is a sturdy and dependable choice for eco-conscious individuals who need a heavy-duty cargo trike. Whether you're hauling goods or navigating urban streets, it's designed to handle the job efficiently. The 2015 Monaco Dynasty. The 2015 Monaco Dynasty is the ultimate luxury motorhome. It stands out as a flagship model, offering unmatched sophistication and craftsmanship in the RV world. Built on a custom Roadmaster chassis, this motorhome provides a powerful and smooth driving experience. Its superior handling ensures you feel confident on the road, no matter where your travels take you. Step inside, and you'll find a meticulously designed interior. The floors are polished porcelain tile, giving the space a clean and upscale look. The cabinetry is solid wood, crafted with precision for durability and style. Every furnishing is premium, designed to bring comfort and elegance to your journey. The layout is spacious and thoughtfully planned. The full kitchen includes top-quality appliances, making it easy to cook meals just like at home. The bathroom is spa-like, offering a relaxing retreat with high-end fixtures and a luxurious feel. This motorhome is also packed with advanced technology. From smart controls to entertainment systems, it's designed to keep you connected and entertained. If you're seeking both style and comfort while traveling, the 2015 Monaco Dynasty is the perfect choice. It's not just a motorhome, it's a home on wheels. Zeva Zero. The Zeva Zero is a groundbreaking personal electric aircraft. It's designed for vertical takeoff and landing, redefining how we think about personal transportation. With its compact, disc-like shape, the Zeva Zero is built for single-passenger flights. It offers an efficient and innovative way to travel short distances. The aircraft uses advanced electric propulsion, allowing it to take off and land vertically, just like a drone. This feature makes it ideal for use in urban areas or locations with limited space. Its sleek, futuristic design stands out. The zero-emission operation makes it a sustainable choice, aligning with the future of eco-friendly urban mobility. Zeva envisions a world where air travel is accessible to individuals. Their goal is to provide a faster, safer, and more efficient way to navigate congested cities or remote locations. The Zeva Zero is more than just an aircraft, it's a glimpse into the future of personal transportation. Polaris XPEDITION. The Polaris XPEDITION is an adventure-focused off-road vehicle. It's built for those who need versatility and rugged performance in extreme environments. This vehicle combines the utility of a side-by-side with the comfort of a traditional off-road vehicle. Whether you're tackling tough trails or exploring the wilderness, it's designed to perform. The Polaris XPEDITION is powered by robust engine options. Its advanced suspension system ensures it can handle rough terrain while providing a smooth and controlled ride. It's also packed with innovative features. The customizable cargo space lets you carry everything you need for your adventures. Integrated storage solutions keep your gear organized and accessible. Inside, the spacious cabin offers modern comfort. It's equipped with integrated technology to keep you connected during your journeys. This makes it perfect for extended outdoor expeditions, hunting trips, or recreational off-road activities. The Polaris XPEDITION starts at around $28,000 for the base model. Solar-powered electric tricycle. Sustainable travel with sunlight. Imagine a tricycle powered entirely by sunlight. The solar-powered electric tricycle combines solar and electric power to create a sustainable, eco-friendly ride. Here's how it works. Solar panels on the tricycle's roof capture sunlight and turn it into electricity. This energy is stored in a battery that powers the electric motor, allowing for smooth, short trips without needing an external power source. Some models even come with a backup battery that can be charged from a regular outlet, so you're never stranded on a cloudy day. These tricycles are perfect for short commutes or casual rides, especially in sunny areas where solar energy is abundant. While the initial cost may be higher than traditional tricycles, the long-term savings on fuel and the positive environmental impact make it a smart investment. It's a simple, green solution that lets you travel comfortably while helping the planet. MG EXE181 Concept Car. Introducing the MG EXE181 Concept Car, a stunning vehicle from the 1950s designed specifically to break world land speed records. This car represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering from that era. The EXE181 features a highly aerodynamic design and a supercharged engine. Every detail was crafted with one goal in mind: speed. In 1957, at the famous Bonneville Salt Flats, this groundbreaking car achieved a remarkable record by reaching speeds of over 254 miles per hour. This achievement was nothing short of revolutionary for its time. The MG EXE181 embodies the spirit of engineering innovation and performance. It solidified MG's place in automotive history as a leader in speed records and design excellence. With its streamlined body and advanced technology, the EXE181 was years ahead of its time, making it a true icon in racing history. This concept car not only pushed the limits of speed but also showcased MG's commitment to excellence in automotive design.